Today we're going to turn this into this. The typical Iyengar chair has an open back and an open front. Shona will make this all pretty for you. I'm merely the brawn of the operation. Take a rubber mallet and hammer. And you're good. Then you turn, and what I've set up is some tools here in the front. And this is a little bit more delicate. When I did this before, it took a little bit more wiggling. There you go. You can sand off these edges, and then you're all done. Here and here. Tape it, and you've got your Iyengar chair. Step 2 is to take a Dremel. Okay, you're going to set it to the high rating. Just give it a nice little grind in there. Make sure you wear eye gear and wear a mask. Okay, there's a nice little burr over here. There you go, that's good. I think we're good.